As we discussed, let's do these questions now. So this was the question that was asked in previous year NEET paper. So let's begin with the solution of it. I would want you to guys to first pause the video, give it a try, use the technique that I've taught you. You shall get the answer within a minute time. If you're not getting it, there's some practice. We'll practice more, and so that you master the concept. So please do it. Pause the video and solve the question. Okay, I hope you have done it. So let's see the solution now. We have the chemicals given as molecules given as H2SO4, K2SO4, CH3COOK. I don't care about whether it's correct or not. See, it doesn't have to be correct, as I said. It will just have to be balanced. That's the concept, right? So let me just write the equation quickly. So I'm just making this random equation on my own, H2SO4, right? Plus, see, I'm just making this equation random one. So H2SO4 plus CH3COOK equal to CH3COONA H plus K2SO4. That's it. Let me balance it. This will be 2K because there are 2Ks here, and it would be 2 hydrogens. I'll need to make it doubled. See, it's balanced now, right? It's balanced now. So what's the value of H2SO4? X. I'll write X here. What's the value of CH3COOK? 2Z. So I'll write plus 2Z here. Equals to, what's the value of CH3COOK? COH. That's what we have to ask. That's what we have to find. 2X. So what's the value of K2SO4? Y. Therefore, that is Z, right? This is Z, sorry, yeah. And this is CH3CO. Let me make it as, capital, maybe A, because it has to be different, right? So this is my desired one, A. A is what we have to find. So A will be X plus 2Z minus Y by 2. That's A, which is nothing but X minus Y by 2 plus Z. X minus Y by plus Z. Option D is the right answer. See, the answer is option D. I hope you got the same answer. Let's do another question. So please do it. Pause the video, try on your own. Okay, so I hope you've done it. So let's see the solution of this question. See how to solve this one. Again, take all the compounds given to you, right? Write it down once again. So let's write the chemicals first. So we have NH4Cl, we have NaOH, which will give me NH4OH plus HCl. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Finished. So you've been asked to find the value of this one. So what will be the value of this one? NH4OH. It will be NH4Cl plus NaOH minus HCl. That's it. That will give us NH4OH. Finished. So just compare NH4 plus HCl. So NH4OH Cl plus NaOH minus HCl. Option number NH4Cl plus NaOH, NH4Cl minus NaCl. It has to be NaCl, my bad. So minus NaCl. That's it. Option number D is the right answer. This is how we do it. See, so this was NaCl, right? This was NaCl. So see, we got that because we brought it on the other side. We got it. So if you use this technique, you can get answers very quickly. So I hope you got the idea and you got the approach of doing such questions. And I hope you'll use this to save a lot of time in exams like JEE NEET. So with this, I hope you found the video useful. If you liked the video, if you understood the things we discussed, please consider subscribing to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.